guys, Ramblin Bob here. I got some fantastic news for all the Pecron owners out there of the E1500LFP. Okay, so this involves me too, because I purchased an E1500LFP. All right, so you ready for the good news? Pecron just extended their warranty on the E1500LFP. Now, I messaged Pecron personally, because I was brought this attention by a few of our scribers, which that's what the scriber family is for, guys. It's turning the tables on the whole market, and the consumer now has the strength of the bargaining chip. So the consumers fought for it, and now we win. So here's the thing. I put, do the people, this is the email I sent, do the people who bought and registered their systems before that get a nice new warranty of 5 years from Pecron? Would love to make a video about it, telling people if this is true. The response I got from Pecron: yeah, if you're talking about the E1500LFP, yes, even if you purchased it before, as long as you register the extended warranty on the website and subscribe to the website, that's the catch, guys, you will automatically get a 5-year warranty. I think that is phenomenal. I think that's on par now as far as the warranty with companies like Bluetti. Pecron is really stepping up to the plate here, and I think they knocked out a home run. They didn't have to give you that extended warranty because we already purchased the product, right? So as a business person, they don't really have to go back in time and have a grandfathered in. But being that they did, I think is wonderful. So here's the thing, guys. If you own a E1500LFP, or if you are on the fence of purchasing an E1500LFP, this might be a game changer. So on their website, it says right here, 2 years plus 3 years warranty. Now that everyone thought was only for the new buyers. But here's the thing, guys. If you have a system already, make sure that you are registered to the website and you register for the warranty through Pecron, guys, and you'll get a 5-year warranty. I think this is fantastic news. Guys, spread it far and wide to all your friends that have Pecron, the E1500LFP. I'm going to assume, but I'm not sure, let's see, that it would affect the E300, but I'm not sure, guys. I know for a fact that it affects the E1500. Okay, it does not say anything about that, about the E300, and I don't see anything anywhere in the descriptions or anything here. But here, 2-year warranty. So 2-year warranty after you register on the website. Okay, so you get 2-year warranty on this model, which is only $200, but still, you do get up to a 5-year warranty, guys. 5 years if you purchase the E1500LFP. And remember, if you already bought it, holy crapzilla, get your butt over to the website and make sure that you register that, guys, because it'll only help you in the long run. A longer warranty is good, and I don't know what else to say. So please like, subscribe, and share this video. I think it's very important that other E1500LFP owners by Pecron get this information, because it could drastically change from 2-year warranty to 5, and I bet you a lot of people don't even know about it, because after you bought the system, why would you go back to Pecron's website and look at the system? You already bought it. You have all the information you need. But this was something that they just implemented, and now all of us E1500LFP owners get awesome. Woo! Awesome, awesome, awesome. Guys, like and share, please, and I'll talk to you again. Ramble on. Bye.